This is Mark with Atlas Appliance Repair, and today we're working on this top-load LG washer, customer complaint OE error code, and will not drain. For safety reasons, first unplug the machine and turn off the water supply. The first time we were here, we were able to diagnose the OE error code and that it needed a new drain pump. On this specific model, we're able to attack the drain pump from behind. First, remove these 4 screws and then the back panel. Right here you can see the drain pump. There are 2 hoses attached to the drain pump. On this machine, the hose clamps I can get off easily with my thumb and forefinger, but on your machine you may need to use channel locks to get these off. Have your shop vac or towel ready because there may be some water remaining in the pump. There are 2 5/16 hex head screws holding the pump down. It is best to use a stubby to get them out because of the tight space. Here I'm using a ratcheting stubby multi-tool. There's a link in the description below if you don't have one of these. After removing the 2 hex head screws, get a firm grip on the pump and maneuver it out. Here's the new pump. The new pump comes with a new wire harness. If the existing wire harness is good, there's no reason to replace it. Just disconnect the wire harness from the new one and the old one, remove the old one. After comparing the old pump to the new pump, I noticed that the housings for the pump were different, so I'd have problem mounting the new pump. So it's no big deal if this happens to you. Just take the new pump and twist it off the new housing and put it onto the old housing, then reconnect the wire harness and put it back in the machine. Slide the pump into the mounting plate and replace the 2 5/16 hex heads with your ratcheting stubby. Next, reattach the 2 hoses to the pump housing and slide them all the way to the end, making sure they're nice and snug. Then place those clamps onto the proper position and make sure they're nice and tight. When you're finished, give that pump a nice firm shake with your hand to make sure everything's solid and in place. Replace the back cover and secure it with the 4 Phillips head screws. If you found this content useful, please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Finally, plug the machine back in, turn the water back on, and before you exit the video, wait, and we're going to show you how to put this into a test mode so you can test the drain. Press the power button, then press and hold the wash temp and extra rinse level buttons at the same time. Advance the settings by pressing the play button. The setting for the drain pump is T6. You can hear by the sound that this LG washer drain pump is now fully operational. Comment down below. Get out and get it, people. It's a beautiful day.